Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to go over a stitch called an overcast stitch, and that is used to prevent the raw edges of your fabric from unraveling during use and during the wash and dry cycle. Okay, let's get started. To do an overcast stitch, the baby lock has a presser foot designed to do that. This is the G foot. Take your thread and place it right in this groove here. There are many different overcast stitch, so when you select one, you will see that stitch come up over here and that you need to use the G foot. Slide the fabric right under this groove right here. Lower your presser foot and begin stitching. And this is what it looks like. This overcast stitch will help prevent your fabric raw edges from unraveling. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was helpful and you learned something new. If you're interested in beginners sewing projects, I will have some links listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. Just click on Show More, it will expand open and you will see the links. You'll also see links to my sewing tips of the week, which come out every Wednesday. They're very informative, very educational. You will learn a lot. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.